So today I went into a gas station that I normally go into. And in this gas station that I went to, I said, here's an opportunity for me to offer my service as a professional window cleaner. I got the email address. I'm gonna post a short. You guys can see that short because I did record it with my meta glasses. Now that I'm home, I'm about to put together this email. Within this email, where's the things that I wanna focus on? And what am I gonna focus on to make sure they open the email and they take action? The number one thing is I'm gonna introduce myself. I'm gonna say, I'm Daniel, professional cleaning business, a window cleaning business, and I wanna come clean your windows for you. I wanna talk about the curb appeal. I'm gonna pivot immediately right to their problem that they're having. I'm not gonna write this whole long email about business and my YouTube channel and how I'm sharing this with my YouTube audience in real time. I'm just gonna go straight into the curb appeal that I can offer them. The next thing that I'm gonna go into, body of the email, is talking about how my services can benefit them by giving them a more professional looking, a cleaner looking, a safer environment, and just the gas station that people just naturally want to go to, for the simple fact that we always go places that we find clean and that works for us. Who doesn't want to be in a clean gas station? It all starts right there with the window. Then I'm gonna just go right into, this email is gonna be really short. My offer. My offer is gonna be a weekly or a bi-weekly service, window cleaning, off-peak hours. And then I'm also gonna really focus on giving them a discounted rate. I'm gonna let them know that just because I live in this neighborhood and we're pretty much neighbors, I'm gonna give you a discounted rate outside of the rate that I normally would charge people for the window cleaning. Really start to build some trust. Who knows? Maybe this person that owns this gas station has multiple gas stations. Maybe they're not far from the gas station that I go to, even if they're on the other side of town. Now I will adjust my rate based upon my travel time. I'm gonna give him a cheaper rate just because it's right here in my neighborhood. I could actually walk there. That's what I'm doing today. This is where I am going after this. I wanna share every moment with you guys. I wanna really make sure that you guys are a part of this entire thing the entire time. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like this video. If you stayed this long, you have to like the video, and I will see you guys in the next video. And hopefully that's me out cleaning the windows for this guy. Just cross our fingers. Let's go.